I'm Darren Kitchen, and this is the SharkJack display, a network testing Linux box that every hacker should carry. It scans networks and launches payloads in seconds, showing you the results right on screen, letting you instantly dig deeper into your target without a computer. Anyone can pick this up, plug it in, and learn a ton about a network. So if you've ever been curious about network pen testing, this is your way in. There's even a crash course for getting started. And it's preloaded with dozens of payloads and examples right out of the box. Even updates with the latest from our community right on device. And writing payloads is easy. It's a tiny Linux box, so tools like Nmap and curl and netcat, they're all right there, ready to be brought to life with the latest Ducky script that now lets you build interactive payloads. For years I've wanted this tool, as easy to use as a USB rubber ducky with the interactive payload system we launched on the Wi-Fi Pineapple pager. This new SharkJack has an OLED display for real-time results, a rocker switch for interactive payloads, double the battery life, and of course, our free Cloud C2, so you can drop into a shell and exfil loot right from your browser. And yeah, we just had to make it in both Incognito Black and Cyberpunk Clear. In fact, if you use a pair of them with the new SharkLink tool, you can answer the age-old question. Do these switches even talk to each other? It's like Find My SharkJack for the most complex VLANs and firewalls. As a hacker who paid his dues in the IT trenches, I've got to say I have wanted this my whole life. And now more than ever, I am so proud to introduce the SharkJack display. I'm so excited to see what you do with it. Trust your technolist.